Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change the conversation history color in Outlook on your PC. With the latest update, customizing your Outlook experience has never been simpler. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once the interface loads, look at the top of the page where you'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is your navigation menu. Click on these 3 lines to expand the menu. Next, locate the Conversation History section. This is where all your past conversations are stored for easy access. Right next to Conversation History, you'll see 3 dots. These represent additional options for customization. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, select the option labeled Change Color. Once you click it, a palette of colors will appear, allowing you to choose your preferred shade. Take a moment to pick a color that suits your style, or makes your conversation history easier to identify. After selecting your desired color, the change will be applied instantly. You'll now see that your conversation history has been updated with the new color, enhancing both functionality and visual appeal. And that's it. You've successfully customized the conversation history color in Outlook on your PC. This small tweak can make a big difference in organizing and personalizing your workspace. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay productive and enjoy using Outlook.